Hello friends, welcome to Quick Learn for Easy Learn. In this 8th episode of English grammar class, let us make a list of abstract nouns formed from adjectives. In the last class, we discussed about the abstract nouns formed from common nouns. Today we will discuss about the abstract nouns formed from adjectives. Okay, first word, deep. The abstract noun for deep is depth. Next word, dark. Darkness. Next word is short. Abstract noun for short is shortage. Abstract noun for true is truth. Truth. Truth, truth. Wide. The abstract noun for wide is width. Width. Strong. Next word strong. Strength. 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 The abstract noun for wise is wisdom. Wisdom. Abstract noun of humanity, human, is humanity. Abstract noun for human is humanity. Long. Abstract noun of long is length. Next word is cruel. Abstract noun for cruel is cruelty. Cruelty. The other word bitter. Bitterness. 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 The abstract noun for brave. The abstract noun for brave is bravery. Bravery. Abstract noun for wise. Wisdom. Next word is proud. Abstract noun for proud is pride. Pride. Novel. Abstract noun for novel is novelty. Free. Abstract noun for free is freedom. Freedom. Poor. Abstract noun for poor is poverty. Poverty. Height. Abstract noun for high is height. 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 Just. Abstract noun for just is justice. Justice. Ignorant. Abstract noun for ignorant is ignorance. Ignorance. Vain. Next word is vain. Abstract noun for vain is vanity. Vanity. Strong. Abstract noun is strength. 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 Broad. Say breadth. Breadth is the abstract noun for broad. Humble. Humbleness. Humbleness is the abstract noun for humble. That's all for today. These are adjectives from which we have formed abstract nouns. Okay, if you like this video, Please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you very much.